Okay, let's start. In making of Jolly Spaghetti, ang first step natin is yung spag noodles. Okay, buksan po natin yung lagayan ng soup bowl.
No, open
Then
it.
yung spaghetti noodles ilalagay po
Open the big
natin
one.
sa
That one.
plato.
And put in the plate. Go baby, go. You can do
Then
it.
ikalat-kalat nyo lang po siya using the fork. Sige po yun yung sis, paki-assist yung mga kids natin.
You want me to help you? Okay, very good. Okay, pour it there. Okay. Listen, just wait na. Remove na. Okay. Spread it, spread it.
Ayan.
Bakit yan?
Nakalat na po ba? Nililibig check na po ata kung totoo spaghetti.
Not yet. Listen to the instruction of Ate Kim.
Okay, next po, pag nalagay na po natin yung spaghetti noodles, is yung spaghetti
Go
sauce.
pour it.
Ay, nakapon.
Oh my gosh.
Ayan, lagay lang po natin
Mix
yung spaghetti noodles. Be
Ah,
careful
yes.
kasi mainit po yung mga yan.
Not yet, not yet.
Kuya Yuli, oh. And after yung cheese naman
The
po.
cheese, the cheese. No, it's dirty na.
Ayan. Okay, wait lang po. Wala po na po kakain. I-check po ni Ate Kim. Tinaktak eh.
Not yet.
Ayan.
No.
Lahat naman po sila is tama yung pagkakagawa. Kaya naman po, meron po silang sticker.
Yay.
Okay, sige po. Iwan na po namin yung mga spaghetti nila dyan. Padala po ako ng mga KB passport.
Bring your passport to Ate Kim. No, you bring it.